A graph is a way to show connections between things. This is an example of a graph. Graphs map relations among objects. This is a node or a vertex. It represents an object. The plural of vertex is vertices. This is an edge. It represents a relationship, a link, or a connection between two nodes or vertices. An edge always has a node at both ends. Nodes, or vertices. Edges. Objects of a graph are connected by edges. So, graphs are mathematical structures. This is the mathematical notation of a graph. A graph, G, consists of two sets. V, the set of vertices. E, the set of edges. Edges can be directed or undirected. A directed edge. Directed edges. An undirected edge. A graph with a mix of undirected and directed edges is called a mixed graph. Mixed graph. A graph with directed and undirected edges. Edges can be weighted. A weighted undirected edge. A weighted directed edge. A graph with weighted edges or arcs can also be called a network. An edge can also represent a predicate. Example: I love rotisserie chicken. I and rotisserie chicken are nodes. Love is an edge. Order and size. A graph's order is the number of its vertices. Order. The number of nodes and vertices in a graph. The size of a graph is calculated by the number of edges it has. Size. The number of edges in a graph. An edge can loop back to the same node. It starts and ends at that node. This is called a self-loop. It's also possible for multiple edges to share the same start and end node. These are parallel edges. A graph without any self-loops or parallel edges is a simple graph. A graph with one or more set of parallel edges is a multigraph. A node is considered adjacent to another when they are directly linked as neighbors. The degree of a vertex is the number of edges that touch it. In directed graphs, the in-degree of a node is the number of incoming edges, while the out-degree is the number of outgoing edges.